हाय फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे जब आपका फ्रेंच स्टूडेंट वीज़ा लग जाता है उसके बाद व्हेन यू अराइव इन फ्रांस immediately within a week or two what all process that you have to do and you cannot fail. So there are 5 things that a student needs to do within I think 2 to 3 weeks after his or her arrival in France. So we'll talk about those 5 important things that you should do and you have to do after your arrival in France. So चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. पहली प्रोसीजर है CVEC procedure. CVEC procedure, basically you can do it right after you receive your visa, or maybe you can do immediately when you arrive in France. So this is a contribution to the student and campus life. It's a government tax. The cost of this is just 92 euros, and this is mandatory for almost all students. Okay, and this will really enhance. So this is the French government is trying to help the reception of all the students, all the foreign students, and they're trying to improve and enhance their social health and sports follow-up, and because of which this contribution to a student and campus life is there, and the process is called CVEC. So as a student you will have to do it like I mentioned, just after you receive your visa, or maybe well within 1 week of your arrival in France. So CVEC हो गया. After that, immediately what a student will have to look for. मैं क्यों immediately बता रहा हूँ? Because when you go to France, then there are a lot of distractions. The Eiffel Tower, the food. Many students would want to go to different cafes and try a lot of coffees, but then you should not forget to go to your school, your business school or university, and register yourself as a student. So it's a very important process. You have to go to your school and you have to register yourself. Why? Because after the whole registration process, you're going to get your student ID card, and this student ID card will help you in point number 3 and point number 4. So after your CVEC process, within the week you have to register at your designated school or university, and you have to get your student ID card. Once you get your student ID card, the third important thing that you have to do is you have to open your French bank account. So most of the good schools and the universities, they have tie-up with the banks. However, if there is no such tie-up, you can immediately go to the nearest bank and you can open your account. This will give you an access to the debit card and the checkbook. Now in France, जब फ्रांस में हो, अगर आपके पास लोकल डेबिट कार्ड नहीं है तो फिर you have to do your transactions everything in cash, but then you have your debit cards. It makes your life so easy, right? And as a student, when you are going for a part-time job, you will need your bank account. So wherever you go, you will need your bank account, and even though your parents would want to send some money, the French bank account would be the best place to do that. So the third important thing that you have to do, I think within just a week or two, it is to open a French bank account. Now after you do that, the fourth thing is the most important thing, which is to validate your residence permit. When you're going in France on a student visa, it's a long stay student visa, and you have to validate your residence permit. Now this is completely an online process, and you have to do it within the 3 months of your visa. Okay, so it is an important step that all the students would have to do it. It will make you completely authorized being a French student after you validate your residence permit through the process, right? And the process where you have to validate, the link is just given here. You can follow this link and you can validate your long stay visa, the residence permit. This is point number 4. And the last thing, which is which is again to me very important. You have to again go and register for your social security, French social security. Now a lot of students, when we ask आप फ्रांस क्यों पढ़ाई करने के लिए जा रहे हो, so with other reasons, one reason is the social security of French government really offers to an international student. The French government doesn't discriminate between the local student and the international student. What they do is, through the social security, they help students with the all medical facilities in the country. They help students with the hefty discounts on travel, hefty discounts on food, museums, etc. So before I think 2019, a student had to pay 218 euros, if I'm not wrong, for social security. But the government has made it free of cost for all the international students. So you have to go and register yourself for the French social security, and like I mentioned, it has a lot of benefits, my friends. And where you have to go to register yourself for social security, the link is again given here. I think these are the 5 important steps that you will have to do after your arrival in France, within the 2 or 3 weeks maximum. And that's it. So agar visa aapka lag gaya hai, so you can be happy, but do not relax, because आपको ये step बिल्कुल करने हैं, and this is to make your student life easier in France. So friends, अगर आपको पूरा ये प्रोसेस जानना है, कौन सा स्टेप कैसे करना है, कहाँ जाके लिंक, कौन से लिंक पे जाके क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने हैं और क्यों करना है, so basically we have a very nice document written on it, and the link for that document is given here, and you can use, or you can visit that link in the comment box here below as well. So friend, I think जिन लोगों का वीज़ा लग गया है, congratulations to them for this fall 21 intake, and the students who are in process, I think it is just a matter of time. You go through the visa process and you'll get your visa very fast. I think the French embassy, all thanks to French embassy, they are very swift these days in stamping the student visa. So yeah. So these are the 5 things that you will have to do: CVEC, validating your residence permit, registering for the bank, registering for the French social security. Everything is important, equally important, and very easy, very very easy. And if you have any questions, do not worry. We are there. We are quite experienced handling the French education, be it the public university, be it the business school, or be it the applied science schools as well. So you may just write down your queries in the comment box, and we will be able to help you promptly. Okay, so thank you so much, and yeah, thanks, bye bye.